In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to hide and show icons on desktop, specifically the recycle bin. If you can see my desktop, it is very clear. Your desktop may be having my computer, network, and other icons. How do I do this? Let's check out. Right click on your desktop and go to Personalize. Here you'll find several themes which you can change obviously, but we are right now interested in desktop icons. So click on the Change Desktop Icons. A small dialog box will open up where some desktop icons are listed: computer, users file, network, control panel, and recycle bin. If we want to hide recycle bin, we can uncheck this one, click apply, and we can see the recycle bin has been gone. If we want to take it back along with all these options, we can check them and click OK. And as you can see, all the icons are there. So this is how you can hide and unhide icons on your desktop, and you can show or hide the recycle bin on your desktop. Thank you.